This tutorial covers the use of the AI report translation feature of Home Inspector Pro. The AI translation feature allows you to automatically add a translation of your report in one of 6 available languages using artificial intelligence. The available languages are Spanish, French, French Canadian, German, Portuguese, and Tagalog. When the translation feature is enabled, when generating your inspection report, a disclaimer will be added to the end of your existing report, followed by a version of your report in your selected language. The original report is considered the official report, but the translated version contains a copy of that same report in your selected language. This feature is available in Home Inspector Pro version 6.8.7 and later. Now let's take a look at how you can use this feature. In Home Inspector Pro, you'll want to open your existing inspection, and you will need to import your data from ISN, HIP Office, or HIP Office Lite to use this feature. In our case, we're going to use HIP Office Lite. I have my inspection open, so I'll go to Internet and import data from HIP Office. I'm going to select my inspection and import. Now I've already populated the rest of the inspection information, so I have my client information on the screen, and I'm going to generate my report. After you click on Generate Report, the Print Settings window is going to open. And in the lower right-hand corner, you're going to have an option to include translation. I'll select my language, in my case, Spanish, and click on Close. This process is the same as you normally would use for generating your reports. So I'll go ahead and click on Save, and my report is going to generate. After the initial processing is done, you'll see a step for translating the report. Now, this translation may take a while depending on the length of your report and the amount of text that is included, usually between 5 and 10 minutes. Once the translation has been completed, your report will then open in your PDF editor as it normally does. You can then review the contents of the report. Once your report has generated, it will then open up in your default PDF viewer. You'll see your normal report as it would appear, but you'll notice if you move through the report and on the bookmarks on the side of the report, you have a separate table of contents in those same sections. We scroll up, we can see the disclaimer, in both English and the converted language. It is recommended that you review your inspection to make sure that everything looks proper, and once completed, you can close the report. Do not save your changes if prompted. And if everything looks correct, you can then upload your report via HIP Office, HIP Office Lite, or ISN as you normally would. The report will be converted again as part of this process, so you will see the same translation process as before. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to help@homeinspectorpro.com, or you can call us at 888-750-4777. And thank you for using Home Inspector Pro.